What's up, guys? Welcome to FS Skiing. Here's another video. We're at Trollhaugen, Wisconsin right now, in Dresser, Wisconsin. I don't know if you can see, the sun's pretty bright. But I'm here with Alec, Dylan, Hayden, and then also we are here with Dylan's brother, Justin. So I don't know how today's gonna go. It's already like 2:15, so I don't know how today's gonna go because we basically already skied most of the day, and I wanted to save to like start videoing because we wanted to get tricks ready for example what you're about to watch, and I don't know what's gonna happen right now. Some new tricks that's been thrown down. Alec's been trying a front flip, 360s, 540s, some rails are going down, and then a really good grabs are going down. Just so you know, guys, if you guys ever come to any ski resort, wear your mask. I'm by nobody right now, so we gotta cover up when we get in. So besides that, let's get it, boys. So I forgot to bring up, but Jonathan Buckhouse, Backflipping Benton. Peep the new sunglasses, Backflipping Benton. Go check out his swag pack, bunch of stuff. Also, my sticker of him's like right around there. I don't know exactly where it is, but go check him out on YouTube. Let's get into this video. We're gonna do some runs first, and then we will get into actually doing all these tricks. Let's get into it.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a fly to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over, cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rewind my circuits, but you don't get that courage, cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled, cause you can fall into my pain. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a fly to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over, cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. I won't waste my love on your heart. Sorry, cause I can't get what I want, and I don't need you.
All right, so crazy day. That's gonna be it for today. That's all we could film because we started filming a little later today. I wanted Alec to be here for the outro, but I got the second best. Hayden, hello. He's okay, you know. You can prove that in the videos, but great day again. Thanks Backflipping Benton for these sunglasses, and go follow him on Instagram. He's a dope dude. But yeah, Trollhaugen, November. Definitely recommend. Pretty chaotic. We're just gonna do a couple more runs, and that's gonna be it. Make sure you go subscribe. Make sure you go like, and yeah, that's all I've got. Have a good day, guys. Definitely Trollhaugen, and later in the year is probably gonna be way better. Make sure you go subscribe. Make sure you go like this video, and go comment in the section where your local trail is, and maybe we can go check it out if you're in Wisconsin. Also, I just started my own waxing business, so anybody in the Madison area, hit me up. My website is www.fsskiing.com. I do waxing and tuning for skis and snowboards. Cheapest deals in Madison. Go check it out. Hit me up. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.